Kal Plastics, we're a plastic fabricator, and we're actually a contract manufacturer. We're in California, so that's tough. It's the wrong state to be in manufacturing, especially when it comes to labor. So we have been faster to embrace certain types of changes by necessity. Prior to installing the collaborative robot, the forming and the rough trimming would happen in the work cell, but then we'd have to move trimming to the CNC router. Being able to place the robot right in the same work cell makes it work so much smoother. It's just a complete work cell. It's more efficient. I did my homework and I found Universal Robots. They were the global leader in the collaborative robot space. They came out and they gave us a demonstration. And when I looked at the numbers, it was really attractive. I was looking at getting another 5-axis CNC router, and at the time, it would have been a $250,000 investment. I would have waited 12 months to take delivery. I was able to get something that's giving me the same results, or better results, arguably, for a quarter or a fifth of the cost. I was quoted 2 weeks to get the equipment.
If I look at the robot, it's a perfect fit, because I can't afford a new CNC, but I can afford this. And I can afford someone that's gonna basically take an iPad and program it. That robot can be picked up and moved to each cell in the plant if you want it to do so. So your bang for your buck, it's the robot. In the past, we always had to juggle back and forth on the CNCs just to make, delivery dates. We introduced the cobot. Now there's no more overtime. We can ship on time. I would say we're less than 1% of shipping late. The job that we're running now, we used to hand trim. The time frame went from 3 minutes to about 1 minute and 45 seconds. So you're almost half of what you normally were doing hand trimming. So it's a big savings.
My workforce originally were freaking out. No, you're gonna replace my job. I don't want any robots here. And I'm like, listen, you don't get it, guys. I want you to be safe. I want you to work smart. We can get our work environment to a point where you're more of a QC operator than a machine operator. That's a win for everybody. And then I can pay you more. Once everyone settled down and they saw how this thing worked, it was like, why didn't we do this sooner?